A lot of people think if they come across one of these coins, they have a coin worth a lot of money. These quarters from 2006 can sell for a lot of money, but you have to really be looking out for a few characteristics on each coin. Without wasting any more time, let's just hop into this video. So this is a 2006 D 25-cent Washington statehood quarter from Nevada. Now this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 68. It's important to know that the highest grade achievable in grading is 70. That means this coin is only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. It's so challenging to get this high of a grade. So if you have a coin just like this, it's probably not worth sending off to get graded unless you know it's going to grade really highly, or you just want it for your collection, because this 25-cent quarter, someone turned it into $345. This 2006 D Washington, Nebraska quarter sold for $345. Not spending a ton of time here, but if you look in the front bottom right side of the coin, you'll see a small D mint mark. That D mint mark stands for the Denver mint where this coin was minted. Again, this coin is graded so highly at a 68, and that's why it sold for $345. So this coin was graded at a 69, and it has a satin finish. This one was struck at the Philadelphia mint, hence that P mint mark on the front bottom right side of the coin. Satin finish coins are essentially coins that had a different finish on them. If your coin looks like this and it's nearly flawless, it could be worth getting graded because this coin sold for $414. This South Dakota coin graded at a 68 sold for $881. It's important to know that when you sell your coins really does matter. What also matters is how many coins have been graded at this grade. Depending on how many coins are at a 68 will depend on how rare the coin really is. Let's say, for example, there's only one of these known. Collectors are going to pay a high premium to get that grade because no one else has it. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $881. This Nebraska 25-cent state quarter sold for $2,350. Remember I was talking about the population before, so this one has a PCGS population of 4 at the time of sale, and it had a NGC population of only 1 at the time of sale. Some of these coins, depending on where they came from, are harder to grade than other coins. It really comes down to a simple supply and demand issue, because this coin sold for $2,350. This North Dakota coin sold for $3,760, and this is what you want to look for. So again, condition is king. On this PCGS coin, there were only 1 total graded. At the NGC census, which is another grading company, there were only a total of 3. So again, depending on what time you sell your coin at, if you're at a market high or a market low, if there's a lot of collectors trying to get your specific coin, that will also inflate the value of the coin. Lastly, I need you to realize that the majority of these statehood quarters that you find are going to be circulated. They're not going to be as valuable and rare as the ones in this video unless you find them in a coin collection and they have not gone out into circulation. Then there's a possibility that your coins are worth good money. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.